Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to put location on Snapchat. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is you have to create new Snapchat by clicking on the camera option right here. And just take a picture by clicking on this button. Like this. And if you want to add location to your Snapchat, you have to click on this sticker button and choose location. It's right here. Click on location right here. And if you want to make this location option can be shown up on your Snapchat, you have to enable location on your setting first. All right, and then choose the location that you want. I'm just gonna click on this location. Alright guys, that's how we can put location in our Snapchat. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye!